Ignite. To start burning, or to cause something to start burning.
Ignite! Ignite!
1 minute before separation, you'll see the cryogenic tanks venting. Weapons fire could ignite the exhaust.
Abolish. To put an end to something.
If Russia takes Turkey and Persia, the Tsar has said he will close our mosques and schools and abolish our languages.
Does anyone in this room think that the government should abolish driver's licenses?
Urban. Relating to towns and cities.
One of your Navy SEALs in an urban setting, you could spot the boot camp on them a mile away.
Defense Department projects for tight geometry urban pacification.
Population. All the people living in a particular country, area, or place.
People forget it takes the population of an entire country to keep the show running.
28% of the male population of the United States could be the father.
Frank. Honest, sincere, and truthful.
Sir, I know that Mr. Wayne is curious about how his trust fund gets replenished, but frankly, this is embarrassing.
Because, I'll be frank with you, I don't like the way this is going.
Pollute. To make an area or substance, usually air, water, or soil, dirty or harmful.
You kidding me? Hey, don't pollute me with this process crap.
Wow.
Yeah, well, the cotton industry there is a major source of pollution, so...
Reveal. To make something publicly or generally known.
Sauron has yet to reveal his deadliest servant, the one who will lead Mordor's armies in war.
The lasso of Hestia compels you to reveal the truth.
Prohibit. To officially forbid something.
We can seek a restraining order, which will prohibit him from coming near you.
Listen to me, I am legally prohibited from disclosing anything.
Someone leaked my last deposition to the National Enquirer, Charlie.
Urgent. Very important and needing attention immediately.
Tell him Leia has an urgent
Message for him.
Maximus the Emperor needs you. It's urgent.
Adequate. Enough or satisfactory for a particular purpose.
Without adequate legal representation, Joe was given a stiff sentence.
What may have been perfectly sensible in those alien times is wholly inadequate to solve the problem.
Decrease. To become less, or to make something become less.
Significant decreases in the red and white blood cells in the animals.
Increases and decreases in gravity, spatial extrusions.
Audible. Able to be heard.
You'll hear what I've got, all right, because it is very audible!
What the hell is this?
The FCC has forbidden audible flatulence.